Hey y'all, what's good? Namaste. I'm just showing y'all a quick video on how to make lentil flour. Gluten-free, low fat, barely no fat, very good fiber and benefits for your gut. So I take, basically this is like a half cup or a cup of lentils dry. Then I'm gonna use my magic bullet, obviously. Do that. And that, my dears, is how you make lentil flour. See? It's all floury. I'm about to use it for a piece of crust. So, yeah. Just like that. If you like this short, go ahead and give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and there will be more.